Alright, good evening. This is Mark Deloyer with Arduino Lab 8, the timer hourglass. I have my interval set at 6,000 milliseconds, so at 6 seconds while I'm speaking, we'll see all my LEDs light up, and I'll reset it so that we see my Arduino is working properly. And I'll talk about the code a little bit and what was new and changed. A few more seconds here and we'll have all of them illuminated. Alright, and that's just about 36 seconds into my recording. Reset the tilt switch just by doing that. I didn't actually have to flip it over. Alright, so in the beginning we designated some constants. Our switch pin for that input is coming out of pin 8 going to our tilt switch. Then we have several outputs, and our interval is there, which I shortened up to convenient 6 seconds, not a whole hour, or 10 minutes in between. For the setup, using this for statement, we were able to designate all 6 LEDs as an output at once, and then our switch pin, our input from number 8, from LED or from pin 8 as an input. We created an if-then statement from the time that it started up. If the current time minus the previous time was greater than the interval, then it would set up the next LED as a high and turn on the LED lights. Towards the bottom here, the exclamation mark and the switch state and the previous switch state. This talks about how we reset the tilt switch in the Arduino and the well, not the total Arduino, but the state of the LED lights. It was kind of difficult reading into, but from what I gathered, that is just the coding, that the language that we had to use to designate resetting all the variables by using the tilt switch and setting the timer and restarting the process, like so. Alright, excellent.